Keeping your braces clean throughout the day is easy with interdental brushes, also called Proxy Floss. These small portable brushes are perfect for removing food particles that can get stuck around your brackets and wires when you're on the go. To use a Proxy Floss, gently insert it between your brackets and along the wire, focusing on areas where food particles tend to gather. Move the brush back and forth a few times to dislodge any food leftovers. This simple action helps keep your teeth and braces free from food buildup until you can brush more thoroughly later. Proxy Floss are especially designed for braces. They can reach between brackets and wires where a traditional toothbrush may not fit. Keeping one with you throughout the day makes it easy to keep your braces clean even after meals or snacks. Interdental brushes come in various sizes, so you can find one that fits comfortably with your braces. Using them regularly throughout the day will help keep your braces free of food particles and reduce the risk of plaque buildup. Add Proxy Floss to your daily routine for a quick and effective way to keep your smile fresh and your braces clean on the go. Check out our next video for more helpful tips on braces care.